Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy Devi again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Guys, this is another crypto video about Troncase version 2, as most people call it version 2.0. And in this video I'm going to talk about the refund conditions for people who didn't make out, who didn't get their money back in Troncase version 1, as in we are talking about people who didn't break even. For example, if you put in like 1000 Tron and you didn't earn the 1000 Tron back, so those are the people who are looking for refunds, and I'm going to look at those conditions and also the changes made in the new Troncase version 2.0. So guys, before jumping into the video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also comment where necessary so that you can help on the YouTube algorithms. So guys, remember, anything we do in crypto is carries a risk, and you should always invest what you can afford to lose. So if you see someone investing 200,000 Tron, don't also go to the bank and get a loan and invest 2,000 Tron crypto. So that would be a very high risk. Unless when you are willing to carry the risk, then that will be fine. So guys, let us jump into the video. So this is the info that I got from the call that was done later on before the contract went live. So the developers are gonna refund every wallet that didn't get back 100% of their initial deposit in the old contract. Yeah, so if you put in 10,000 Tron and you didn't withdraw it, or you withdraw less than 10,000 Tron, so they are going to get what you put in and then what you withdraw, and then the balance is what you will be refunded. And then another condition now the condition for the refund is that you have to enroll in Troncase version 2.0. In other words, you have to enroll in the new Troncase smart contract with the same wallet that you used in Troncase version 1 or in the old Troncase. So let me repeat that. You have to enroll in the new smart contract, this one, with the same wallet that you used in the old contract. Remember that the new contract is Troncase.pro, and the old contract was Troncase.io. So you should come here and create an account and fund it with as little as 100 Tron. And you shouldn't, it is not a necessity that you have to follow your previous sponsor. You can get a new sponsor. That one is okay, it was cleared. So for those of you who are looking to be sponsored, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of the video. Feel free to click on it and join our team. So guys, this is the information I'm just passing out, and it was given to me, or I had it, and I'm not the one that made these decisions. So don't ask me when they are going to pay or after how long or all those other questions. So I'm just delivering what I had to you guys. So we also have a Telegram channel for smart contracts. We developed this Telegram channel for smart contracts. If I go to the changes that are made, let me show you guys our Telegram channel. We developed it to help us to be informed of new smart contracts and what smart contracts are really working and those that we should avoid at any one time. So the channel is new. When I last checked, it had only 200 members. Let me check it here. It is called Tron DeFi Battle. So this is the Telegram channel, as you can see. It has a video here that you need to watch, 6 things that you need to check before investing in a smart contract. This is a very informative video, and that's why we decided to pin it here. So I've also been giving updates of Troncase version 2, and this was my review of the video. So I'm going to leave the link in the description. you are free to check it out and join our channel. It is a new channel and it is growing every day. So guys, to leave that aside, let us look at the changes that were made. So the website still looks the same. These ones are the same. Actually, the contract here, the code changed to accommodate the new changes. The total contributed now is 6 million Tron, and we are so far earning 0.5% per day, and over 2,800 members have already invested in this smart contract. So how it works, these ones have remained the same. You get a Tron wallet, you send TRX to the contract and start earning. That one has not changed. The minimum contribution has remained the same. Maximum contribution has remained the same, but the total rewards here has changed. It was 300% and it has been reduced to 200%, which I think is a good thing, because if you put in 1000 Tron and the contract gives you 2000 Tron, I think that one will be 100% profit, which is good also. It can help in sustaining the smart contract for some good time. And then the basic reward, it has been reduced from 1% up to 0.5. The old contract had 1% every day for members, so it has been reduced to 1.5. And then there is personal hold bonus. This one has remained the same. Leader bonus, the contract, the members will get 0.1% every time the platform distributes 1 billion TRX in referral rewards. So 1 billion TRX in referral rewards, that is a huge amount of referral rewards. So I don't think we shall ever get this one unless very many people have joined a smart contract. But this 0.1 added fee for every 1 billion TRX in referral rewards, it is huge, and it can only go up to 0.5. So it means once 5 billion TRX has been distributed in referral rewards, we shall get it as a maximum of 0.5. And then another change, 0.1% is added every time the platform reaches 10 million users. That is the community bonus. 10 million users. And I also think this one is huge, and it can only go up to 0.5%. So it can only go up to when the smart contract reaches 50 million users. Remember, in the old smart contract, it had, in the 6 months it was running, it had only got 190,000 contributors. So now this one is looking for 10 million active users to get the 0.1%. So that one is also huge, and I know the community will have to work hard in order to achieve the community bonus. So don't think we shall ever get it also. Then another change is the contract total amount bonus. 0.2% is added to members for every 1 billion TRX on the contract balance. So this is what we are looking at. So far we are at 6.8 million. So to get this bonus, here of 0.2, the contract should be having 1 billion TRX. So you can imagine. So this one also is still huge, and I don't think we shall ever get it unless when God intervenes with us. So basically what I think the maximum we are going to be getting now is 1.5. So if you hold for 10 days, because this one is 0.1%, and if you hold for 10 days it will be 1%, and you add on the 0.5%, that would be a 1.5%. So after 10 days you will be getting 1.5% if you're a holder, and then you can do the maths. 1.5 let us see if we hold for, if we are getting 1.5 and we hold for 10 days, that one will be 15%. 1.5 we hold for 30 days, that one will be 45%, which is at least good. So guys, the people who are going to benefit here a lot are the people who are going to hold their earnings without withdrawing them. So me basically, I'm going to try holding for a month and I see where it will reach. So guys, that's it. Those are the changes and the refund conditions in Troncase version 2. Don't forget to join our channel here. You will be well informed about smart contracts and all that you need to know about smart contracts. And then I'm leaving my link in the description of the video. I would like to be your sponsor if at all you've not yet got an account in this smart contract. So that's it, guys. In case you have any queries, just comment in the comment section. I will be able to reach out to you. So that's it. See you in the next video.